In this video I would like to demonstrate how to use a hand drill or electric screwdriver to sand a wooden stick in order to have a mast or yard for your wooden ship model. So what we would like to achieve is to having a cylindrical wooden stick. Well, it's already slightly sanded, but well, let's continue with that. And to sand it on both or just one end, to make it a bit tiny here. Well, to have whatever form you would like. If we take a blueprint, we could have yards like this one, so it's just sand it on one end or evenly or through all its length, or yard like that, which is symmetrically sanded on both ends. Okay, you can do it with, well, you can do it just manually, or having some great appliances, but if you do it manually, you want to achieve the good results, you could have some asymmetrical yards or masts, or it's the high risk to just anything in the process, and it should take a lot of time. And for appliances you sometimes don't have access to them, or it's time consuming or expensive or whatever. Okay, so how to begin? At first we need to hold this stick in our screwdriver. While holding it, it will obviously a bit damage the wood, so we can cut it having some additional length, which we will damage with our screwdriver. However, if we need to have a yard which will be symmetrically sanded on both ends, that makes things complicated. So what I propose is to cut it with the length you need, then use tape to protect one of its ends, like that. That's several layers is enough. Okay, so this part will be, we can safely hold in our screwdriver. Well, while holding it, that's important because this way it's not like ideal holding, because we have our tape, it's still wood, so yeah, you see, it's a bit oscillates. So you can spend some time on trying to hold it perfectly, but believe me, it's not very important. If you have like a longer stick, then yeah, that's a good way to spend some time on holding it perfectly, but you still will have good results even having some oscillations. That's more or less acceptable. Okay, for sanding I recommend to have a sandpaper cut it like that, so it's you can hold it this way and then wrap around your stick, and by holding it with your fingers you can precisely control the force you use to sand your stick, and this is important to have it symmetrically or evenly sanded from the beginning to the end. When you do sanding, you move your hand with steady pace across all the stick, so this way like the amount of time spent on each part of the stick will be the same, and tie your fingers with the same force. If you if we want to sand it more on this end, then we just move our sandpaper and this part of the stick more times than we do it here, or we apply greater force, or we turn the screwdriver with higher speed. It's all up to you. Additionally, you need to have some protection, because the sandpaper will be really hot. Okay, do it like that. So I will demonstrate how it looks like. As you can see, I moved my hand steadily across all the length. I firmly hold my screwdriver at one position, so I control the most of the parts of this process. You saw that it oscillates quite a bit, but believe me, it's still okay to have the more or less symmetrical wooden stick. At least you can experiment with that. So pay attention to the force you use to hold the sandpaper on top of your stick and movements. This way you can have a result such kind of stick to make it like this one in 15 minutes or so. So that's really speeds the process. I hope it was relatively useful for you. So happy sanding and bye.